my 1989 75 series, and Instagram is _lock. Coil converted, that's kind of the main thing. GU diff in front, 80 series rear, 4-linked. Bought it when I was 16 for $1,000 and it's kind of been with me for the last 4 years. Factory turbo 60 series motor, V8 LandCruiser gearbox, and other than that it's just what you say. 24 volt twin motor winch, got a bank of batteries in the back for it, charging alternator setup. Probably need to make a few more spares, need to make a drive shaft and just check some oils and stuff. It's a little bit leaky these days. Other than that, just make sure it's happy, really. Spare hubs, spare axles, yeah. Pretty well built it just to go bush. I'm pretty happy I can get into it these days and drive to Cape if I wanted, but at the moment it's just taking the tracks and have fun. So built it to go up stuff and that's what it does. I think the Suzukis are going to do really well because they don't count as cars, they're basically quad bikes. I think we're all going to struggle a bit with the ruts and I think I'm going to have a hard time with clearance. I only got 35s. I think Orkney will do well, shorty, good. Other than that, it's going to be a bit of a free-for-all, everything's so different. My Navi's Freddie K on Insta, he's got the other Coil 75 in the valley, so you might see him around, we go driving a bit. Staying awake, I'm not really sure yet, we'll just kind of have to see how we go. I've got a second driver, so I might just take it in turns.